monkeys are known to be intelligent animals. Monkeys are very close animals to us. They look like humans. They have a lot of intelligence. There are more than 260 species of monkeys in the world. Monkeys cannot speak like humans, but they communicate with each other using a variety of shouts, calls, and body language. Some monkeys even know how to cook. They can break the nuts using stones. Monkeys are very intelligent animals. They can solve problems, even use tools. Some studies have shown that the intelligence of monkeys is equal to that of a 5-year-old child. Monkeys are very social animals. They develop a very close relationship with each other and take care of each other on a regular basis. Sadly, monkeys today face several risks. Deforestation and hunting are threatening their survival. Let's spread illusion and save the environment.